In this video, we are going to see a very quick technique on how you can get and set the custom alarm sound on any alarm you want. So for example, you can see that I have this summer song that I have installed as a ringtone down here, because as you might already know that if you try to pick a song, it needs your iTunes or computer to add them here. So let's see how you can simply attach any downloaded song as a custom alarm sound on an iPhone. First of all, let's get the sound. And for that, I'll head over to Pixabay. You can use any one you want. And let's search for In the End and actually download something like this. Save it to files. And now it's done. Now the problem is how will we attach this alarm sound as a custom sound, because we cannot do it directly here. So you need an app called GarageBand. It's very easy to install from the App Store. Just get that app. And once you open that up, you will see this main screen after a couple of permissions. And you just keep swiping towards right until you see the audio recorder. Once you see the audio recorder, you click on it to open it. And from here, what we'll do is just we will click on the top left hand corner on the bricks kind of icon. Click on that and it will open up this tracks. So from here on the right hand corner, you will see this rope kind of icon just behind the settings gear icon on the top right. So from here we choose that and we click on files, and from here we click on browse items from the files app, and there we will get all of our files. So for example, this one was the song. You click on it to add it here and it will be added. Just wait for some time to get it added here. And after that, you just hold it and drag it towards the timeline. Once you drag it towards the timeline, after that, you can click on the top left hand corner and click on this drop down and head over to My Songs. It will save it to My Songs. And once that is saved properly, you can click on it and click on share. And from here, we set it as ringtone. And let's rename it as whatever. I'll just name it as Big Bang Song. All right. And we click on it to export. And now we click on OK. After that, let's head over to our clock. And whatever alarm you want to set, click on the plus sign on the top right hand corner, set the time, set the repetitions, and from here in the sounds, we click on it and you can easily see that we have a new song added right here that is called a Big Bang Song. So that is how you can attach any custom sound as an alarm alert on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.